hands? What did you do?
It's this. It's this. It's even on the playroom door.
Can you come show me what happened?
I'll show you.
Is that a stamp pad?
Yes, I'll show you.
Rosie, what are you doing?
It's a See? See her?
Rosie. Oh, are you okay?
Ow.
You all right?
It's there and here. And is it on the front door?
Rosie,
No.
darling, that's not allowed. Why did you do... No, stop. Don't touch anything else. Ada. No, lovey, now you're getting it on everything. Why did you do that?
Mom, here.
Thank you. Can you turn that hairdryer off, please? Rosie, why did you do that? Rosie?
That is on there and there. Rowan did it. I need one, thanks.
Rowan? What? Yeah, you need 12. Why did you do that?
But I know.
Because I don't know.
Don't know. Mickey.
Luckily, it comes out.
Come off me. Ta-da.
Oh, good, Rosie. Look, it's everywhere. It's even on the wall. Uh-oh. Look, every time you touch it with the other hand, though, it goes back on. Oh, dears. Oh, it's on your nose. You even stuck it up your nose. And on your eyes.
Dad?
Yeah,
Rowan?
there's another one.
Rowan, you're not allowed to do that, so don't do that again.
So yes, Mummy. Yes, Mummy.
Look. Okay.
Yeah, you take this one. Yeah, you use this one. Nice and clean.